What's the next target of her money? Her money is moving up in upcoming days. Her money fails down in upcoming time. My friend, what's the prediction of her money? Everything in this video, my friend, is going very special for her money holder. Before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe our YouTube channel, because if you subscribe our YouTube channel, that I update you every time good news or bad news, and this channel provides you very latest updates, my friend. So kindly click the red button and press the bell icon, especially for videos notification. So you or I update you just a 2 minute video, a very big news. Absolutely, my friend. So here, if you can see here, in the last 1 month, my friend, everybody tell me to why they fails down, my friend. Our target is a half US dollar, my friend, but if you can see here, after this very badly falls, my friend, nobody tell me to they can hit the half US dollar, my friend. And I already tell you to they cannot hit a half US dollar, because they completely fails down. You can see the change occur as minus 47. They very slowly fell down, my friend. Not like a big jump, my friend, or not all cryptocurrency. If some cryptocurrency falls down, they take a very big jump, my friend, and they are 150% they fell down, my friend. But they are in the total 1 month, they just 47.53% fell down. So this is not a big change, my friend. If you can see here, this point they falls down. After this point, my friend, they're starting moving up. So I hope, my friend, after a fails, every coin going up like a rocket, my friend. So I think after this fails, they going up in upcoming time. So my friend, let's see to in the last 1 hour, my friends, to what's going on in the last 1 hour. This is very important for everyone, my friend, to see the latest price change occur. I think this is a positive, because after a very bad fall, they starting moving up, they going up. So let's see, my friends, they are loading. Oh my goodness, absolutely subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. This time they change occur, and positive 2.53% they got up, my friend. Oh my goodness, 0.10 US dollar. Can you believe this? Oh my goodness, very badly falls down, my friend, the price. But I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, because they're starting moving up. So harmony holders, my friend, congratulations for everyone. Today starting going up like a rocket. We all go for the moon today. Absolutely, they change occur and very bad, good, my friend. In the last 1 hour, they just only change to plus 2.53% going up. So this is good news for everyone. Please hold it, don't sell it. My prediction is that too in upcoming days they going up. So please, what you say, please tell us in a comment box. This is very important for everyone. Thank you so much, my brother. What's share your opinion? My opinion is that too, this is buying time, holding time, and wait for the end of and waiting time, my friends. Wait for the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. So thanks for watching Harmony Holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.